Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on SKL. We saw a pump of over 10% on my previous bull chart, but the price got strongly rejected under the main downtrend. That's why this market is so tricky, and taking profit is a must-do for any successful trader. Overall, the daily chart is in a neutral zone, but the bias is clearly bearish. The long-term weekly demand zone at 0.0150 to 0.01600 is holding for now, and the price might range and consolidate inside the 0.02100 to 0.01550 area for a while. For a bull move, the price must push above 0.02300 and break the downtrend. However, if the bears manage to hold this down, the next key support is 0.01550. Do you think the bottom is in? Join the conversation. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at our trading strategy. To join our trading team, just click the bot link in the description. Everything is 100% free. Peace out.